Hello everyone,
I'm David.
I'm the owner of the Microtec Group. Now I want to show you my factory. Okay, please follow me. Microtec Group, we have three main buildings. The first building is a dormitory, it's for our staff. The second one is a warehouse. The first building is our main workshop. Okay, now please follow me. Follow me. I will show you our workshop. Okay, Microtec company, we have 26,000 square meter and over 320 workers. And we make from the raw material processing to the assembly to the testing, everything is owned by Microtec. So, okay, now you see we have the older production machine. Here is our CNC station. If we want to do some high positioned product, we use the CNC. Here's Jack. This is our CNC operator. He do a very good job. Okay, we also have the milling and the lathe machine. I go to our bending machine. Hey, Brian, how you do today? Okay. He check the drawing. He want to make sure every part is good. Okay, now it's our rubber machine. We want to make it a more high quality machine. So now put it the rubber welding machine. After we use the rubber welding machine, we save more than 25% labor cost, and now we can make it a more high precision product and make it a more high quality parts. So now we are very happy for our rubber welding machine. After the welding, now we go to the polish process. Now you can see it's before the polish, you can see the many dust here. The after polish, you see, it's beautiful. Okay, here is our polish people. Stop. First they produce the machine. We need to cut the metal according to the drawing. Now here's our laser machine. Laser cutting machine.